Classification of living things. Today's focus. Biological classification. The Big Five. Plenty. Animalia. Monera. Fungi. Protista. From messy to tidy. Have you ever thought about how tidying things can make it easier to find what you need? How do you organize your stuff at home or school? Today, we'll be able to describe what biological classification is. Classify organisms based on their characteristics. Explain the importance of classifying living things. Flightless birds. Did you know penguins can't fly in the air like most birds? Instead, they use their wings like flippers to move through the water. Biological classification. What is it? Biological classification is a system scientists use to sort all living things into groups based on their similarities. How will you group these organisms? Sample answer. Biological classification. How will you group these organisms? Animals and plants. Biological classification. Why do we classify living things? It helps us understand how living things are related to each other. It makes studying and discussing the variety of life on Earth easier. It helps scientists quickly identify and categorize new species. The Big Five. Plenty. Most organisms in the plant kingdom can make their own food using sunlight. Some of its members include conifers, mosses, ferns, and flowering plants. Animalia. Most organisms in this kingdom can move around and eat other organisms for energy. They have specialized tissues and muscles used to perform complex functions. Monera. This kingdom includes single-celled organisms with no defined nucleus. Many of these organisms are found in extreme environments. Fungi. Organisms under this kingdom get their food by breaking down matter around them. Their cell walls are made of chitin, unlike the cellulose in a plant cell wall. Protista. Organisms in this kingdom are neither plants, animals nor fungi. They are challenging to categorize since they have few things in common. A closer look. Shown below are groups from the animal kingdom. Can you identify the common characteristics of organisms in each group? Sample answer. A closer look. Group A animals, called vertebrates, have a backbone. Group B animals, on the other hand, are called invertebrates. They either have a soft body or a hard outer covering. Group A. Bones are inside their bodies. Backbones or spine. Lungs or gills. Group B. Segmented bodies. Hard outer coverings. Jointed legs. Lesson snapshot. Biological classification. It is a system scientists use to sort all living things into groups based on their similarities. Importance of classification. It helps us understand how living things are connected, makes studying different types of life easier, and helps us quickly find and group new species. The Big Five. Organisms are classified into 5 major kingdoms: plants, animals, moneras, fungi and protists. Look further. Read about phylum and class, 2 other ranks considered when classifying living things. Then, create a poster about your favorite organism while mentioning the kingdom, phylum and class to which it belongs.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.